So here we've got a pickup cabin from Vanexxt, 33,000 euros. Let's go and have a look at it inside. So in here on the left I've got Benny, and on the right is Pascal.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So what's clever about this pickup box?
The important point is the weight. The weight of the cabin is 430 kilo with all interior, with all technical package and with the furniture. The next point is the room feeling if you come inside. You don't find this room feeling on the market. Not on this small point.
Space.
Small space. And the price. The price for this cabin is with the full package 40,000 euros. With 40,000 euros you become a full attack package. You have 200 WP solar.
So yeah, fully self-sufficient. So yes.
You have 100 HM batteries with
Yes.
lithium-ion, 2 kW diesel heating inside. It's all on the 12V package. You
Yes.
have 230 V only with the engine from the outside.
Space
Yeah,
for two
the
people
space,
to
so-
sleep.
Yeah.
There.
The bed size is 1.4 meters by 1.85 meters between the frame, and between the wall and the inside there's 1.95
Yes.
meters. So you can sleep only in this position. You have the second bed on this position. There's 800 millimeters by 1.95 meters.
Yes.
There's for one child more. The vision behind this cabin is this cabin you can build on any pickups and all in European pickups on the market. There's not on one especially basic car.
Yeah. So let's have some more equipment here. So you've got the table with the very long seating on the right hand, or my right hand side. Down there you've got the toilets, which the Trigano toilets, and up here we've got
gas cooking
two
field.
burners, and a sink. Yes, and there's the fridge, and we've got storage all the way around.
And what's very cool at all is that we have a big window here, so you have very much light inside here.
Yes.
And it's, you have a good room feeling, like you said.
Yes, and over here we've got the technical stuff as well. We've got the electrical
This
connections.
is the electric package we produced by ourselves from Busbox. The vision behind is it's not complicated. You have one taster,
One button.
one button
Yeah.
to bring this on and one button to bring this out. You have one position for 230 volts. You have a lamp and that's all.
Yeah.
230 volt, that's on.
Yes.
It's not complicated. You have all connecting point. This is what you need. This is for the car.
Yeah.
And the USB. Battery voltage.
13.7. Yeah, but one hook up now anyway. Yes. So you expect that. Yes.
Yeah.
And
the interesting point, is on the back. So we must go outside. So I am a downhill biker and I don't find the right frame on the back for my fullies.
yes.
So we produce this by ourselves. This frame can load 60 kilos. It can fix on one point and turn it on. You can go inside with the bicycle on the back.
Yes.
And that's all in the price.
Yes. Okay. Very good. And also down here, this is
Down here is the pickup.
Yes. Okay.
This is die Ladefläche.
The loading room.
Yeah,
Loading-
this is the loading
yes,
room.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and the batteries, where are they kept?
Batteries are inside
Oh,
here.
okay, very
Under
good.
this, there's
Yes.
diesel heating
Yes.
with the tank inside. So there's a tiny house concept. So bring the box to the floor,
Yeah.
and you can use it also the same on the pickup.
Okay, right. So how big's the tank for the diesel heater?
It's 10 liters.
Okay, right. And I know it depends how. I mean, 10. You might have that in one night. It might go. It might take ages and ages. Yeah, I know. It depends on the. But diesel heating, it's a different type of heat than
have
gas. Yeah.
2 kW there's too much for the small room.
Oh yes, no, I can appreciate that. Even now, at the temperature outside is minus. Well, it was -7. I have mine intermittently on 1 kW, and there's a lot more space in my motorhome than there is in here. Yeah, so very good, super. So I think we've covered everything there. And,
Thank you.
so thanks.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.